Hey guys, you get your RV, think you got everything you want, come to find out you really don't like the setup of it. That's what happened to me. We loved our RV, everything was set up how we thought, exactly how we wanted it, but we ended up changing out our whole living space. I wanted to share that all with you here today, get your feedback and see what you think about the changes that we made. With that said, here we go. You see our old setup, and as you can see, Bentley's taking it easy here on the couch, but this is the couch that we replaced. This was the original flex steel couch that came with it. It was okay, but just not very comfortable. It did turn into a bunk bed, but we really just did not have a lot of use for it, so much happier with our new one. Now we will get into our dinette set, and this was replaced. This was very comfortable as well, but just not an efficient workstation, so that's why we went ahead and decided to change this out. Okay, so now we're going to show you some of the upgrades that we have done. So this here's the TV, and for anybody who don't know, this is a great channel right here, Camper Life. Be sure to check that out and hit that subscribe button. Thought I'd plug myself there a little bit. But what we've done is we've added this TV on a swivel mount, and I'll get my wife to display that. If you can show how the TV comes out. So first you'll pull down the latch, and then that basically unlocks the mount, and then essentially it's able to move. And so you see it's got free range of motion, and what that works well is when we're sitting in the living room now, we can actually kind of move the TV this way, and we can turn it toward the what I'm getting ready to show you, our new area here, and it looks a whole lot better. So now I'm going to swing around, and the first thing I'm going to show here is our end table. So we do have two of these end tables, so we've got one here and one on the other side, and we've also got two of these lights that we've added. And the cool thing about the lights is they are wireless charging, so we can charge everything wirelessly. We're able to reduce some wires coming out for USBs and stuff like that. But then also this gives us additional storage underneath. We get drawers with it. Again, it's the same on both sides, so it works out really well. And we still got our end table here that we can use for storage, our little nightstand here. So those have been a huge help for us. And then here's the next thing that we changed, which was the seating area. So we took out the flex steel couch that was in here. It was an okay couch. It was not very comfortable, but this was given to us by Larry and Alice of Downsizing Makes Sense. I will add their link down below. I'm very thankful for them giving this to me. I went down to Florida and picked it up. Very awesome. It's just it's a reclining set. It's got the heat, the massage in it. Very, very cool. So I'm really thankful for them for letting me have that, and we have greatly enjoyed it. So much more comfortable than what we had. Again, here's the other end table with the same setup, and also down below we've got the dog's toys. Again, another wireless charging lamp in this area as well. And then you get over here to my area, which is what I'm excited about. So this was the dining area. Now I've completely converted this into a workstation. So I've got a desk in here. All this stuff is locked in place, so it's not going anywhere. And of course, I've got my monitor. I'm getting ready to add an additional monitor. And I've got two additional drawers here for more storage. I've got an area over here for more storage. I've got my computer chair. And I did have to add this, and as you can see, I got the puppies down here as well, so this is where they spend a lot of time at. But I had to add this rug here for the transition, because basically the chair was having a hard time rolling over this, but now with this little piece here, this is more of a solid rug, so with that there, now it rolls over just fine. But able to throw me in a printer now. That's something I needed to get back. Of course, I've got my wiring station back here, but everything looks very well. Very happy with how this turned out, and you know, totally different. Everything is totally different from the last setting, but just wanted to show y'all this, and hope you like it. If you can, let me know down below what you think about this new setup, and tell me if you like the old one better or if you like the new one better. For me, I absolutely love the new one because of the workstation and the more comfortable chairs. So that's what was the winner for me. All right guys, thank y'all so much.